Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Diabetic Retinopathy Detection by Means of Deep Learning, which is an IEEE 2021 conference paper. So in this project the authors have proposed a concept of detecting the diabetic retinopathy in a short, which is described as DR. So this DR is a complication that is caused due to the diabetes disease, and this affects the human eye. So in this proposed methodology we are going to detect this diabetic retinopathy, and our model that we have used is Inception V3 architecture. And regarding the data set, we have taken the data set that is provided by IPAC, which is available in Kaggle. This dataset image consists of 5 classes. So this 5 classes is no DR, that means that no diabetic retinopathy, and mild and moderate, severe and proliferate. So now let us see the execution of the project. And before that we have achieved the accuracy score 0.952, which is around 95%. Now just go to the command prompt, copy the source code location, go to the source code location, type python app.py and click enter. And now you can copy this URL, go to your browser, paste it, and now you can see the home screen, welcome screen of the project with the project title Diabetic Retinopathy Detection by Means of Deep Learning. And here you can see the login menu. Just click this login menu. So this is a static login page because we have not used any database here. So just enter the default username and password, which is admin and click the login button. Once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the preview part where you can upload the image and test whether the image consists of diabetic retinopathy or not, or which it belongs to the which of the class. So now let me select the browse button, go to the source code location where you can see upload folder, where you can see all the 5 classes folder. So first let me go to the mild one. So just let me select any of the image and then select submit. And now you can see the prediction result. So the result of the uploaded image is mild. Now let me click the preview again. Now let me go to other class, moderate. Let me select any of this and click submit button. And here you can see the result of the prediction result. Here you can see the prediction result is moderate. And let me click the preview part again. Now let me go to other class, which is no diabetic retinopathy, and select an image and click submit. And here you can see the prediction result, which mentions that it is no DR, no diabetic retinopathy. So now let me go to the preview part again and go to the other class, which is proliferate, and select any of the image and click submit. And here you can see the prediction result, it does proliferate. And at last I'll go for the final class, which is severe one. Let me select any of the image, let it be this, and click submit button. and here you can see the prediction result is severe. So in such way you can also check with the other test images. So for the scenario I have shown with each of the images from each class. So now let me navigate to the performance analysis part. So in this performance analysis part you can see the accuracy, precision, recall and F measure values, and here also you can see the confusion matrix for each class with no DER, mild, moderate, severe and proliferate. And the final is the chart part, and this is also a static chart. This chart data depicted here is taken from the data set that we have trained the system. So in this data set you can see the large number is mild and severe with same percentage, that is 22.4 percentage. The other three is like 18.4%, that is proliferate, no DER and moderate. And let me log out, and this is all about the project diabetic retinopathy detection by means of deep learning. And thank you for watching.